today's tutorial we're going to take a look at how you can create a straight line in Adobe Fresco. So I'm here in Adobe Fresco, I'm using the basic hard round pixel brush. And then when I make a line, I can attempt to make a straight line. Sometimes that works really well, but sometimes you just want to make an easy straight line. So when you create a line and you hold your brush in place, Fresco will make it straight for you and you can move it around any way you want to. You can do the same with, for example, a triangle. Hold your brush in place and then Fresco will create a straight line for you. And of course, this also works with a circle. Hold your brush in place, just like that. Works with any kind of object you're drawing. Just hold the brush in place and your lines will be straight. It's as easy as that to create a straight line in Adobe Fresco. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.